Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Overlapping intervals are a common problem in computer science and can arise in various scenarios, such as scheduling conflicts, range queries, and more. One simple trick to check if two intervals overlap is by comparing their start and end points. Here's a step-by-step guide along with a code example in Python. Step 1, Understanding the concept. Two intervals a, b and c, d overlap if and only if a equals d and c equals b. Step 2, Implementing the code. We can define a function that takes two intervals as input and returns true if they overlap, and false otherwise. Step 3, Code example. Explanation of the code. The check_overlap function takes two intervals as input. It unpacks the values of the intervals into variables a, b, c, and d. It checks if the conditions for overlap are satisfied and returns true if they are, otherwise false. In the example, we check if interval 1 overlaps with interval 2 and interval 3. Conclusion. By comparing the start and end points of two intervals, we can easily determine if they overlap or not. This simple trick is efficient and widely applicable in various programming scenarios. Feel free to modify the code example to suit your specific requirements or to integrate it into your own projects.